video of American Detour, we are on the final stretch of building our drag racing motor, and we voluntarily destroy the inside of our abandoned house.
Alright, this is the creepiest like place in the house. It looks like, oh my god! Alrighty folks, we have the old 12-second drag truck over here. Old Betty is looking mighty good today. We have the cowl off, we have windshield wiper motor off, a bunch of other things off here. We're just trying to strip this truck down as much as humanly possible. When I get around to it and I get my other seats up here, we're taking this seat out of here, putting in my
just like the Dukes of Hazzard.
We're gonna have Mason build us some track bars. We're gonna get them powder coated purple, because I always want the paint scheme on this truck to be black and purple. All right folks, so I'm in the OG barn right now, and I'm about to put piston rings on the pistons for the 5.7, the old lumpopotamus, and somehow I lost 2 of the pistons. I have 6 right now, but I don't know where the other 2 are at, so I'm kind of looking around for them, and I'm not sure where I put them at. Professionally cataloged, to say the least. Okay, last 2 pistons have been acquired. They're both up at the crack house. I went through 3 sets of rings to get the right ones. Napa is the best because they actually measure it and look to make sure they're getting you the right stuff. So, correct rings, get the old bearings. I'm gonna clean the piston some, and then I gotta clean the crankshaft on this thing. The journals are all like rusty and nasty looking, so I'm gonna clean those up real quick. Luckily I put oil all over all the cylinders so they're not rusted out or anything like that, so it should be good on that. I'm gonna start taking whatever rings are left on these and put on the new rings. I have 3 or 4 pistons with the new, I have 3 or 4 pistons with the new rings on them, and we're gonna take the rest of the rings off of these, put the new rings on them, and then set in the pistons in the motor. But if you can see, I didn't put oil on my journals, so they totally rusted all up, every single one of them. I want to take the camshaft back out because I'm putting a new camshaft in it.
A lumpy boy.
Yeah, the lumpiest one I can find. I swore I put, these have 2 pistons with the valves that hit the piston heads.
2 of them?
1, 2.
Oh shoot.
I'm glad I didn't get those old heads. I don't even want to know what happened to that motor. All the piston rings are on the pistons, and the seam, I need to oil these up a little bit stuck. Bearings are all on.
Music is shitty, or this Carolina boy will take you down to Fifth City. You know who you are, I ain't gonna name names. Just keep your hands off my country and go back from where you came. My country, my damn country, give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country.
We're gonna put the piston on here. We got the crappy piston ring compressors that literally cut your hands to shreds, so that's a good time. So now Losie's gonna turn the motor over for us, aren't you? Piston 1. Ah, dang it, that's the one that's rusty. Let me clean it up right quick. Now I'm just gonna use steel wool. All right, here, get the WD-40 and squirt me real quick. Squirt. Good job. All right, looks clean. I'm sure the piston rings will clear out the rest of that rust. As you can tell, I'm a professional. Push it in a little bit by hand here. Maybe.
No, stop. Wow, it's actually going this way.
All right, so the problem with these things is usually the rings will slip out of the bottom of these things, so you gotta hold them down and, oh, okay. And
that one probably got stuck.
I don't know.
I don't see it.
Oh, we haven't even got past a single ring yet. Okay.
Oh, I see it.
Pop out again? All right, so the problem we just ran into is this bottom strap broke, so I have it upside down, and I'm praying that it's gonna actually work.
Looks like we're getting farther
come on.
than we were. There we go.
Oh, sweet baby race.
I think it's on there.
I think it is too.
I think that was top dead.
It literally is top dead center of number 1. Sick, dude. There's my goop.
The goop from like the 90s.
Literally from the 90s.
You're spitting on yourself.
I know. Howdy folks, it is the next day. We're down in the barn. And the other night, I couldn't get the motor to turn over, and I was genuinely afraid that the pistons, like the clearance, wasn't correct. But, you see, it's totally fine. It's only because my stupid head was using this little baby half-inch drive, but now we're golden. We're gonna be just fine. So I'm gonna continue putting in the pistons. So far, we only got 4 in. At least I'm seeing that this is all working just dandy. So I'm very happy with that so far. And then the last thing we need to do after we do this is torque down the rod caps. And then after we do that, once I get my new camshaft and everything, then we'll pull out this old camshaft, put in the new camshaft, and call it good. On this episode of American Detour, we're going skating. Whoa. Oh, dude, this is perfect. Oh, dude, look at this. Perfect ramp into here. Hold on, I'm gonna do the dangerous thing and go over here where there's no floor but nothing but carpet. Look at this. That's literally a drop off right there.
Aim for the couch. Welcome to the party pad. This isn't a crack house. It's the fun house now.
Oh, your diploma! Ready? Dude. Oh no! Oh no! How are we getting out? Simulate cross-country skiing, which some experts say is the #1 fitness exercise. Tones chest, arms and back, firms calves, thighs, and buttocks. Buttocks. Adjustable tension control, folds down for easy storage.
I can feel my thighs burning.
God dang, brother, what about your buttocks?
It's been a while since I felt some burning on my thighs.
Is your chest, arms, and back feel toned?
I don't feel shit up top.
Perfect. All right, y'all, that is all we got for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, you're gonna be seeing us drop that 350 into the truck, get it ready to go drag racing. Gotta have a few more things built for it still, but we will have it done soon enough. And I cannot wait to get this thing on the track, guys. I'm really freaking excited for it. Maybe spray a little bit of nitrous through it. Never know. So, guys, if you could be awesome enough to subscribe to our channel, click like, comment if you'd like. You don't have to subscribe, but we'd really appreciate it. We'd love for you guys to keep coming back and watch more of our videos. Hit the notification bell if you'd like. We really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. You'll be seeing that thing soon. I don't know if you'll be seeing the Focus soon, unless you guys want to see it. Comment below if you'd like to see the Focus soon. I don't know because if you don't want to see it again, we're going to take it to the dump. So comment if you'd rather see it go to the dump or actually be used for something. Thank you. Appreciate it. See y'all later.